exploring the legend of Willie Nelson, his life, hits, and legacy. Willie Nelson, with his unmistakable braids and soulful voice, is a true legend in the music world. Born in the small town of Abbott, Texas, this iconic artist has become a symbol of resilience and creativity, captivating audiences with his unique blend of country, blues, and folk music. From his modest beginnings in Texas, Willie Nelson faced a myriad of challenges. His early life was marked by financial hardships and personal struggles, yet his determination to succeed never wavered. He persevered through every setback, driven by an unwavering passion for music and a dream of making it big. Nelson's persistence paid off when he penned Crazy, a song that became a massive hit for Patsy Cline. This breakthrough moment catapulted him into the spotlight, showcasing his exceptional songwriting skills and opening doors to new opportunities in the competitive world of country music. The 1970s saw Nelson emerge as a leader of the outlaw country movement, a rebellious wave that challenged the conventional norms of Nashville's music industry. His raw, authentic sound resonated with fans who were craving something different, cementing his status as a trailblazer in the genre. Throughout his career, Nelson collaborated with many notable artists, including Waylon Jennings. Their partnership produced timeless hits and solidified their roles as pioneers of outlaw country. This collaboration not only expanded Nelson's influence, but also brought a fresh, edgy sound to the forefront of country music. Willie Nelson's 1970s outlaw country movement redefined the genre, challenging the Nashville establishment with raw, authentic sound. Rejecting commercial norms, he embraced a rebellious spirit, blending rock, folk, and country influences. This era solidified his status as a music icon, resonating with fans seeking honesty and grit in their music. His collaboration with Waylon Jennings further cemented his influence in outlaw country. Together, they created timeless hits like Good-Hearted Woman, showcasing their unique chemistry. The partnership highlighted their shared vision for music that defied convention, earning them both critical acclaim and a devoted fan base. The formation of the Highwaymen supergroup brought together Willie Nelson, Waylon Jennings, Johnny Cash, and Chris Christopherson. This powerhouse collaboration produced hits like Highwayman, blending their distinctive talents. The group's success demonstrated the power of unity in music, leaving an indelible mark on the country music landscape. On the Road Again became one of Nelson's most beloved songs, encapsulating his life as a touring musician. Its infectious melody and relatable lyrics earned it a Grammy Award and widespread acclaim. The song remains an anthem for wanderers and dreamers, showcasing Nelson's ability to connect deeply with listeners. Always on My Mind showcased Nelson's softer, more introspective side. The soulful ballad, marked by heartfelt lyrics and emotional delivery, resonated with audiences worldwide. Its success earned him multiple awards and solidified his reputation as a versatile artist capable of conveying profound emotion through his music. Blue Eyes Crying in the Rain became a defining song for Willie Nelson, showcasing his ability to convey deep emotion through simple yet poignant lyrics. This track not only cemented his place in country music, but also resonated with audiences worldwide, making it one of his most celebrated hits. Whiskey River is another iconic song in Willie Nelson's extensive catalog. It has become a staple in his live performances, often serving as an energetic opener. The song's blend of melancholy and resilience captures the essence of Willie's musical style, making it a fan favorite for decades. In addition to his music, Willie Nelson has made significant contributions to Farm Aid, an organization he co-founded to support family farmers. His dedication to this cause has raised millions of dollars and brought much-needed attention to the struggles of American farmers, showcasing his commitment to social issues. Willie Nelson has been a vocal advocate for marijuana legalization, using his platform to speak out on the benefits and injustices surrounding cannabis laws. His advocacy has not only influenced public opinion, but also helped to advance legislative changes, positioning him as a leader in the movement. Willie's unique guitar-playing style is instantly recognizable, blending jazz, blues, and country elements. His unconventional approach to fingerpicking and phrasing sets him apart from other guitarists. This distinct style is complemented by his iconic guitar, Trigger, which has become as legendary as Willie himself. Willie Nelson's relationship with his iconic guitar, Trigger, is legendary. This Martin N20 acoustic guitar, named after Roy Rogers' horse, has been by his side since 1969. With a distinct, worn-out look and unique sound, Trigger has become an extension of Nelson's soul, making it irreplaceable in his performances. Nelson's film career is as diverse as his music. He starred in Honeysuckle Rose, which showcased his acting talent and deep connection to music. His roles in various films have allowed him to reach audiences beyond the music industry, demonstrating his versatility as an entertainer and cultural icon. Collaborating with music legends has been a hallmark of Nelson's career. From duets with Dolly Parton to partnerships with Johnny Cash, these collaborations have enriched his music and expanded his influence. Each partnership brought a unique blend of styles, creating timeless hits that resonate with fans across generations. Nelson's influence on the next generation of artists is undeniable. His innovative approach to country music and willingness to break the mold has inspired countless musicians. Emerging artists often cite him as a major influence, drawing from his authenticity, rebellious spirit, and dedication to his craft in their own musical journeys. Live performances are where Nelson truly shines. His concerts are legendary for their energy, intimacy, and connection with the audience. Stories abound of unforgettable shows where Nelson's charisma and musical prowess captivated fans, leaving lasting memories. His ability to create a shared experience makes his live performances unforgettable. Willie Nelson's philanthropic efforts are as legendary as his music. He has tirelessly supported causes close to his heart, from disaster relief to animal welfare. His annual Farm Aid concerts have raised millions for struggling farmers, embodying his commitment to giving back and making a tangible difference in countless lives. Nelson's crossover appeal is unparalleled, bridging genres from country to jazz, blues, and even reggae. He has collaborated with a diverse range of artists, seamlessly blending his unique style with theirs. This versatility has endeared him to fans across different musical tastes, making him a true chameleon in the music world. Willie Nelson's voice is instantly recognizable, a blend of raw emotion and distinctive phrasing. His vocal style, often described as conversational and intimate, draws listeners in, making them feel every word and note. This unique quality has helped him stand out and remain relevant throughout his extensive career. Fans of Willie Nelson are fiercely loyal, often sharing heartfelt testimonials about the impact of his music on their lives. They praise his authenticity, storytelling, and the comfort his songs provide. These personal connections highlight why Nelson is not just a musician but a cherished figure in many people's lives. Willie Nelson has long transcended the realm of music to become a cultural icon. His signature braids, bandana, and laid-back persona are instantly recognizable symbols of his enduring legacy. Beyond his musical contributions, Nelson represents a spirit of resilience, authenticity, and rebellion that resonates with generations. Willie Nelson's impact on country music is immeasurable. His unique blend of traditional and outlaw styles reshaped the genre's landscape. Songs like On the Road Again and Blue Eyes Crying in the Rain are timeless classics that continue to influence countless artists. Nelson's legacy endures through his groundbreaking contributions and genre-defying sound. Nelson's collaborations with modern artists showcase his versatility and relevance. From duets with Dolly Parton to tracks with Snoop Dogg, his ability to transcend musical boundaries is evident. These partnerships not only highlight his adaptability, but also introduce his timeless style to new generations, ensuring his music remains influential. Willie Nelson's accolades include numerous Grammy Awards, highlighting his extraordinary talent and contributions to music. His Grammy wins span categories from Best Country Vocal Performance to Lifetime Achievement. These awards are a testament to his enduring influence and the respect he commands within the industry, solidifying his status as a music icon. Rare interviews and quotes from Willie Nelson offer a glimpse into his wisdom and personality. His reflections on life, music, and activism reveal a man deeply connected to his art and causes. These insights provide fans with a deeper understanding of the legend behind the music, enriching their appreciation of his work. Nelson's lifestyle and personal philosophies are as iconic as his music. Known for his laid-back demeanor and advocacy for peace and environmental causes, he lives a life reflective of his values. His approach to life and music inspires fans to embrace authenticity and stand up for their beliefs, making him a true cultural icon. Willie Nelson's lifestyle and personal philosophies embody a laid-back, authentic approach to life. He advocates for simplicity, mindfulness, and staying true to oneself. His belief in living harmoniously with nature and others has influenced his career choices and personal endeavors, making him a beloved figure beyond his music. Nelson's environmental activism is a testament to his dedication to preserving the planet. He has championed sustainable farming practices and renewable energy. His involvement with organizations like Farm Aid underscores his commitment to environmental causes, using his platform to promote eco-friendly initiatives and inspire positive change. Willie Nelson's influence extends far beyond music. His advocacy for social justice, animal rights, and various humanitarian efforts showcase his multifaceted impact. He leverages his fame to support causes close to his heart, proving that his contributions to society are as significant as his musical achievements. Behind the scenes in the studio, Nelson's creativity and passion shine. Known for his spontaneous recording style, he often captures raw, authentic moments in his music. These behind-the-scenes stories reveal a dedicated artist who values genuine expression, contributing to the timeless quality of his extensive discography. Willie Nelson's discography is a testament to his prolific talent and enduring appeal. With numerous albums spanning multiple decades, his music explores various themes and genres. Each record reflects his evolving artistry, ensuring his legacy as a cornerstone of country music and a versatile musician who transcends genre boundaries. Willie Nelson's legacy is one of profound influence and enduring charm. From his heartfelt lyrics to his distinctive voice, he reshaped country music and inspired countless artists. His contributions transcend generations, leaving an indelible mark on the music industry and securing his place as an eternal icon. Fans express their admiration through various forms of art, creating tributes that capture the essence of Willie Nelson. From paintings and drawings to heartfelt songs, these creations celebrate his profound impact. Each piece of fan art serves as a testament to the deep connection people feel with his music. Many have personal stories tied to Willie Nelson's songs, from childhood memories to life-changing moments. His music has been the soundtrack to countless lives, offering comfort, joy, and inspiration. Sharing these personal connections highlights the universal appeal and emotional resonance of his work. Stay tuned as we celebrate other music legends in upcoming content. Just as Willie Nelson's story has captivated you, we'll explore the lives and legacies of other iconic artists who have shaped the music world. Each story offers a unique glimpse into the hearts of these extraordinary talents. Don't miss out on future content that dives deep into the world of music legends. Subscribe to the Music Educator YouTube channel for more inspiring stories, rare interviews, and behind-the-scenes insights. Join our community of music lovers and celebrate the timeless impact of artists like Willie Nelson.